In today's video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know to find the function from a table. So a function is an equation. So I'm going to teach you how to figure out how to get an equation out of a table. So here we have a problem that says find the function that gives the rule for this table. This is a linear function, okay? So here we have the x values, and here we have the f of x values. F of x is just equal to the y values, so which is otherwise known as a function. So linear functions are in the form y equals mx plus b, and we've seen that before. That's the slope-intercept equation, okay? So in f of x notation, this is the same as f of x equals mx plus b. So basically, f of x is equal to y, the y piece, okay? That's all you need to know. There's nothing to worry about. So now we just continue the way we did before with the slope-intercept equation. And we know m is the slope, and that means the change in y over change in x. So we could pick any two sets of points in the table to calculate the slope. Any two will do. You could pick this one and this one, or this one and this one. It doesn't matter, okay? Just pick two. So we'll just pick these first 2 points. So point 1 is 3 comma 9. Point 2 is 4 comma 12. So now we calculate our slope. Slope is change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so those numbers are these. They correspond to these. Point 1 is x1, y1. Point 2 is x2, y2. So to calculate y2 minus y1, we take 12 minus 9. To calculate x2 minus x1, we take 4 minus 3. Okay? And that gives us our slope. Our slope is equal to 3, which equals the m number here. Okay? So now to find b, use the equation. Plug in 3 for m, which we found, and use any xy pair from the table to solve for b. So let's do that. So here's our equation, y equals mx plus b, and we're going to put 3 in here, and we're going to use our any point. We're going to use point 3 comma 9. So the first point for the x and the y, okay? So we plug that in. Here's our y is 9, and 3 is our x, and this is our slope. Now we just solve for b in any normal equation. Okay, so that means we just move the 9 over to here. So b equals 0. 9 minus 9 equals 0. So the y-intercept is actually 0. The line crosses right through the origin. So the equation for our function is f of x equals 3 of x. And that's it. We don't have a plus b because b is 0. So our function is 3 times x. And that's it. That's all there is to do to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.